Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your shipping address on the Costco app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your shipping address. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Costco app. Next, click an account on the bottom middle hand side. Afterwards, scroll down and then click on Address Book underneath lists. And then on this page, you can add your shipping address or billing address. So if you click on shipping, then click on add new address, enter your details here, such as your first name, last name, street address, zip code, and phone number, then click on save address. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your shipping address on the Costco app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.